And out. Chest relaxed all the way.
Yeah. Get it.
Let's go. Breathe in. And out. Right there. Wow. A little stiffer up there, huh?
Yeah.
Big breath in. And out. Hips relaxed. Wow.
Ooh. Yeah.
That's big.
That was a good one.
Yeah. And we're gonna breathe in. Drop your hips. Yeah.
Yay.
Smooth.
Yeah, that was
I
good.
like it. I like it. Smooth. We're gonna go onto your back here.
Mm-hmm.
But it's the same thing. So we're gonna breathe in and out. Wow.
Yep, that's a loud one.
That is big. Head relaxed. And just a little bit here. Breathe in and out. Yeah. So big breath in and out. Shoulders relaxed.
Oh.
How did we do?
Oh my god, that felt good.
Amazing. We're gonna go here in your upper back. Breathe in and out. Chest relaxed. Wow.
Ooh.
Tight.
Yeah, I could feel how tight it was.
Way tighter. Hips relaxed. And down. Hips relaxed. Let your hips roll right off. Just like that.
Ooh. I felt good. I felt that.
It's big movement, right?
Yeah.
Just relax right there. This way, right there. And then is it okay if we lower this a little bit again? Just right there. Breathe in nice and deep. This is your L5. All the way out. Hips relax, Esmeralda. Drop your hips a little more. Wow.
That felt good.
That's big. So this is a little louder because it's closer to the ears, but it's the same thing. Big breath in and out. Head relaxed.
Oh my god.
That's huge movement. Breathe in again and out. All the way. I'm going to put my hands underneath here. Put your hands on top of mine, Miss Esmeralda. Right here on top of mine. And then squeeze down. Harder. And then stand up tall though. Stand up tall. Squeeze down. Breathe in deep. Keep squeezing. Chest up, chest up, chest up. Fall back. Fall.
Ooh, it felt
You're right. Amazing. Breath in deep. All the way out. Shoulders relax. Nice and tight there. Wow. Breathe in again. And out. Chest relax. Much better. You're going to breathe in, Miss Courtney. Stay close to me and fall back. Beautiful. You okay? Yeah, it's really tight down there. Breathe in and out. All the way out. Hips relax like that. Wow.
That felt really good.
We're going to tighten your abs. We're going to breathe in, chest up, and fall back. Squeeze. Squeeze down more. Squeeze, like with your elbows. Breathe in and out. Squeeze. Head relaxed again. And out.
One time I saw Dad twist his head.
Oh,
It's so funny. Like that.
right here. A slow, deep breath in. And all the way out. Chest relaxed. Go again. That is really tight. We're supposed to have more movement than that. So slow, deep breath in again. And out. So we got movement there. But do you feel how little it was?
Mm-hmm.
Super tight, super inflamed.
Whoa. You hear that?
Oh, that's a good response.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna, so right here at L5, that's where we're gonna do the adjustment. So big deep breath in and out.
Whoa, that's crazy. Weird.
Good response.
Yeah.
That was a good one. And what I want is your hands on top of mine up here. Right, all the way up, yeah. And then interlock your fingers right on top of mine and squeeze down. A little harder. And breathe in deep. And fall back. Look up.
Wait, look up.
You did perfect.
Oh, I did?
All the way over.
Whoa.
Let your head relax all the way over right there.
Whoa.
You're gonna breathe in again. And all the way out. Shoulders loose. Beautiful. How do we do there?
Whew. It was weird.
Yeah, cool. I'll take it. I'll take it. We're gonna go up here and a gentle motion through the thoracics. Shoulders loose. There.
Ooh.
A lot tighter up there. Can you feel?
Yeah, definitely.
There we go. Big breath in and out. And I'm gonna roll you this way. I won't drop you. Shoulders loose. Right there.
Ooh. Oh, I wasn't expecting that.
Yeah. That was in. You know. Hips relax. Shoulders loose.
Whew. It feels good.
Right?
Yeah.
Isn't that crazy?
It's so strange. It feels good.
And head relax. Super easy. Super gentle. Right through there. Shoulders loose. We're going to breathe in. And out. Right there. Amazing. Breathe again. Too tired to fight back, right?
That was so good. I've been needing.
Come on. Closer. Right there. Right there. Big breath in. And yeah, just like that. Beautiful. Come on over this way now. Amazing, Riley. Hips relaxed. Let it drop here. Okay. Here we go. Okay, same thing. Let me do all the work here. Slow breath in and out.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Yes, ma'am. And then face up here. Drop there. There it goes.
Oh, yes. That was...
Come on up. Big breath in, Miss Ayla. And out. Shoulders relax.
Oh my god! No, I just forget. Oh my god.
All the way out. Hips relax.
Oh my god!
Okay, we're gonna take that curve out of the lumbar spine. And slow breath in, all the way out.
Oh my god! Try to not look at you. Oh, woo!
And relax. And let's have a big deep breath in and out. One more in.
Oh! Holy shit!
Breathe. That's it. Entertaining. We're gonna breathe. Another one in.
Oh! Oh my god.
Breathe.
Casey, sorry.
Alright, so head down. I'm gonna put my hands here. You put your hands right on top of mine. And then, yeah, cross your fingers together, squeeze down. Yep, squeeze a little harder. Breathe in. And fall back, fall. There you go. It's down. Breathe. You good? Golden?
Yeah, we're good.
And we're gonna breathe in nice and deep. And out. Shoulder, yeah, there we go. Breathe in deep. And out. Chest relax.
Let's go what?
No noises? Really? Nothing? Whatever, Casey.
Breathe in again. And out. Shoulders relax.
Feel
You're
that.
just boring.
Yeah. Bend here. Relax your knee.
Oh, what was that? No, you didn't.
That was great.
Oh
Yeah.
my god.
Let's
like
go.
that one.
Oh my
Isn't that cool?
god.
Yeah.
Well, these are the good ones.
This is gonna be a good one.
So I'm gonna contact here and then lean over you.
Okay.
Big breath in and out. Hips relax, shoulders loose.
Oh, that was good.
Did you hear it?
good.
I felt it.
Yeah, it was. And out. A little louder. Remember, this one's closer to your ears. Breathe in.
Oh.
Breathe.
Okay.
Keep breathing. Wow. A lot of tension over the ears. So and then super, super, super gentle on this one. Very light. Right there. Yeah, just a little bit of input. No big release on that one. My hands here. Squeeze down this way, Case. Breathe in. And out. Fall back. Keep squeezing. Squeeze. Beautiful. Chest up.
No pop.
Little stretch. Breathe in. Wow. You can feel the tension up there.
Ooh.